think of the ultimate luxury sedan, one name always stands above the rest: the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. For decades, it has been the gold standard of comfort, technology, and prestige. But what happens when Mercedes takes its flagship into 2026? Today on Gearvibe, we're giving you a first look at the all-new S-Class, an elegant sedan that blends tradition with the future. The S-Class isn't just another Mercedes, it's the benchmark that every luxury automaker tries to beat. BMW has the 7 Series, Audi the A8, Lexus the LS, but the S-Class often sets the trend. For 2026, Mercedes raises the bar again with hybrid powertrains, futuristic design, and unmatched luxury. The US lineup offers 2 choices: a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo mild hybrid with about 345 horsepower, and a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 plug-in hybrid producing around 680 horsepower. The V8 hybrid is the star, capable of smooth electric-only driving for short trips, yet ready to unleash full power when pushed. Efficiency has never been the S-Class's selling point, but the 2026 model makes progress. Expect around 25 mpg combined for the inline-six, while the plug-in hybrid offers 20 to 25 miles of all-electric driving before switching to gas. For a full-size luxury sedan, that's impressive. The S-Class is all about refinement. With air suspension, predictive road scanning, and rear-wheel steering, it feels like floating over the road while still being agile in tight spots. On the highway, it's whisper quiet, delivering that private jet on wheels feel Mercedes is famous for. The design keeps its iconic elegance, but adds sharper details. A wider grille, digital LED headlights, and cleaner body lines give it presence without flashiness. At the rear, slimmer taillights and chrome accents complete a look that blends executive style with futuristic confidence. Pricing is expected to start around $120,000 for the 6-cylinder and rise past $160,000 for the V8 plug-in hybrid. With Mercedes' Designo customization program, buyers can create a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, from unique paints to bespoke interiors. This might surprise you. While no one buys an S-Class to tow, it can technically pull about 3,500 pounds. Will owners use that? Probably not, but it shows the hidden muscle behind the elegance. Inside, the S-Class is packed with innovations. A massive OLED touchscreen runs the latest MBUX system with AI voice control, while augmented reality navigation projects onto the windshield. Rear passengers get reclining seats, personal screens, and even a fragrance system. It's not just tech, it's luxury enhanced by tech. The cabin feels like a spa on wheels. Napa leather, handcrafted wood, ambient lighting, and massage seats create an atmosphere of calm. Rear passengers get the best treatment with executive lounge seating, heating, cooling, and even massage functions. Few cars pamper you like this. Trunk space comes in at about 12 cubic feet. Not huge, but enough for designer luggage or business trip essentials. In truth, S-Class buyers care more about what's inside the cabin than what fits in the trunk. So what's the verdict? The Mercedes-Benz S-Class 2026 isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a statement. Smooth, powerful, futuristic, and endlessly comfortable, it remains the king of its class. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gearvibe, and tell us in the comments, would you pick the S-Class over the BMW 7 Series or Audi A8? This is Gearvibe, and we'll see you in the next ride.